Hello, friends. Welcome to I Compare, where we unravel the complexities of settling in Canada. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect for all newcomers, auto insurance. Whether you've just arrived or are planning your move, understanding this will save you time and money. So buckle up and let's start this journey together. First up, let's talk about the unique STAR system in Canadian auto insurance. Experts believe this is the system followed by most auto insurance companies at the back end. Think of it as a rewards program for safe driving. You begin with 0 stars, but with each accident-free year, you earn a star. The goal? To reach up to 9 stars. Why does this matter? Because your star rating significantly impacts your insurance rates. The higher your stars, the lower your premiums. The STAR system is designed to encourage safe driving habits. It's not just about lower premiums, it's about making Canadian roads safer for everyone. International experience recognition in Canada for newcomers. Here's something interesting for those who've driven in the United States or Switzerland. Canada recognizes your driving experience from these countries. This means you can potentially start with a higher star rating. It's a significant advantage that can lead to immediate savings on your insurance premiums. Driver's training course. Why it's essential. New to Canadian roads? I highly recommend enrolling in a driver's training course. These programs, approved by the Ministry of Transportation, offer comprehensive learning, both theoretical and practical. Completing this course could elevate you to a 3-star status from the get-go, translating into a noticeable reduction in your insurance premiums. Factors influencing insurance premiums. Detailed breakdown. Now, let's dissect the factors that determine your auto insurance premiums. It's not just about how safely you drive. Several elements play a role. Your driving experience, gender, credit history, and even your postal code are crucial. For example, premiums can vary significantly across different areas in Toronto due to varying accident rates and demographics. To sum it up, understanding these aspects of auto insurance in Canada can lead to substantial savings and a smoother transition to your new life here. Remember, safe driving doesn't just keep you and others safe, it also keeps your wallet happy. For more insightful guides and tips, keep following I Compare. Hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe and savvy on the roads, friends.